how to place parlay bet on DraftKings. If you want to place a parlay bet on DraftKings, first of all, you open your browser, go to DraftKings.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, you must simply select the sports market like NFL, NBA or MLB. So based on what you want, you can simply choose a certain game right here. Once you select your certain game, now you have to simply pick multiple outcomes, which means to basically add multiple bets to your bet slip. So you can just hit the enter button next to a certain game. Over here you can simply add multiple bets to your particular bet slip on the right hand side right there. And basically once you've done that, you can review your parlay, which means to basically check the potential payout and ensure that all the selections are correct. After you're satisfied, you can just hit the enter button to place your bet and confirm the wager. Now just remember that parlays offer higher payouts but require all the selections to win. If even one leg loses, the entire parlay loses. So you must also consider the risk before placing a parlay bet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.